DJ Flair, make the money flare.
Ooh.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy YK Capo, aka Capo Gaming TV, man. I'm back with another video. Nah, I'm saying, you know, we got the boy Kings out here with me, you know what I'm saying? Live in the cut. We on a little trip right now, going to the beach, you know, chill out, vlog a little more. Get y'all some good footage, get y'all what the days was going on, you know. But, you know what it is, man. We gonna turn up. We gonna get lit, you know what I'm saying? Hashtag Cran. Make sure before this video start, though, you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, bro. I'm talking about hit them folks, break your phone, get another phone, smash it again, man. You already know what it is. And I'm gonna get some of this good footage for y'all. See y'all later. But nah, damn, what should we get? What is that? Who is that? Hey, Trina? They got some Trina wrap snacks? They got the Migos wrap snacks. Hey, make sure y'all go get y'all some rap snacks, man. We not sponsored yet, but you know, we need to get sponsored. Tell Rap Snacks to hit us up and put Capo and Kings out on like the Rap Snacks, like that way y'all see us, you know. I'm trying to figure out what all the candy over there. Go to the other side, or all the bars, that stuff. We gonna catch y'all when we on the road. So yeah, what's going on, everybody? I'm back, man. Right now we're in Myrtle Beach. It's cold as shit. It's cold as hell, man. Trying to figure out. Okay, there we go. Yes, say walk. But yeah, we in Myrtle Beach right now, man. We finally made it. You know, get a good look around.
I know it's cold. I know it's cold. I know it's cold down here.
Your boy Capo rocking the waves right now.
Yeah, I don't drown.
I don't drown now. I ain't gonna drown on it.
Someone told me to bring my jacket, but I want to be the little hot person I am and not bring my jacket.
Like I say, we didn't know it was gonna be this cold. Florence is not this cold, man. I swear. I don't know why Mark. All right, okay, we're right. But make sure you go get some merch. Make sure you go get some merch. Merch is gonna be in the description down below. Make sure you go subscribe to ZYY Channel, man. Make sure you subscribe to AdmireeJas Channel. You know, all this gonna be down in the description below. It's cold as shit.
Bro, I don't know why, but it's not this cold in Florence.
Yo, I'm telling you, bro, it's so cold, bro.
It's so hard.
Yo, listen, it's cold, but it feel good at the same time. So you know, we gonna keep it going, man. We gonna
go down and see the water. Oh, buddy.
Oh!
Cold down over.
It's seagulls flying.
Oh, you go to.
We literally got on short sleeves on shirts out here. Boy, he just flying like he ain't flying. He just. You say you got a girl. And we gonna catch y'all another time, man. All right, y'all. I'm back. We had to get off the beach, man. It wasn't too fun. We had seagulls flying. They were trying to pull on us, so we wasn't letting that happen. Oh, they got a game room. But yeah, make sure y'all go check out this merch, man. We got a lot of new merch coming. A lot of new merch coming. Very secret. Yeah, we got that coming. Yo, it is so cold out here. I swear to God, I lie to you not. It is so cold. What is this? It's like a corner crazy something? Farm Plaza? I'm straight. Everything on the strip most likely costs money. And YouTube doesn't pay us right now, so you know it's
You know.
oh, it's a pigeon. I thought there was a piece of turd on the ground. Oh wait, I don't like this.
Hey.
You wanna go in here real quick? We lit, man. Just stick out the boy side with me, you feel me? You wanna go in here? The grinders? Oh, the fidget spinners. That's a fidget spinner? Yo, look at this fidget spinner.
Oh, look at those.
Nice. Oh, snap. They nice, they nice, they nice. We gonna catch y'all later on. Hey man, my man's had cop a hoodie, man. You know. Yeah, cop the hoodie. Feel me? Oh man, yo, look at this. Yo, look at this. I like this.
You did.
I like this. It's nice right here, man. We out here in Murder Beach right now. You know, we just leaving it up right now. You know, we just walking around, chilling. You know, we might buy a couple things. Not a couple things, probably like 1 or 2 things.
Yeah, and for Capo Channel, man, we really appreciate y'all.
Really, man.
For this grind, man. Like, y'all don't know how much good stuff has been happening, man. We just try to thank God and y'all, man, for supporting us. We appreciate everything y'all do, man. From liking videos, subscribing. From the first time you subscribe, bro, we just appreciate y'all. Like, just thank y'all for being the people who y'all are. You did. Oh yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned. I got some free merch coming out once I reach 500 subs. Once I reach 500 subs, I'm giving away 4 free shirts. So y'all be on the go. Man, they just left us, bro.
They just left us.
Oh, my cousin left us. Yeah, it's like we got one. That light hitting.
That light hitting, man. The sun just came out and it just started beaming, man. But it is a big ass cloud coming from that way right there. But that cloud gonna mess us up, for real. For some reason I don't know why.
You so scared, like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feel me? I'm trying to figure out why. All right, y'all, we back. So I found out like my camera was no, it was something with the lens or something, I don't know. But we back. Bro, it's like, why every time I turn around, the lighting is better than the one in the front? Like I turn around, the light still look better. We in the store though. Oh snap. That's crazy. Oh. Yeah guys, but we appreciate all the love for y'all. This is the most love I ever got from YouTube. You know, it's a blessing, man. It's just a blessing to even, you know, make videos and make the videos for y'all, you know, and know that, you know, that you guys are gonna keep watching the videos and keep liking the videos and keep commenting. It's a real blessing, you know. So we thank y'all from like the bottom of my heart. You know, our love goes to y'all. Make sure y'all get the merch. Excuse the jury. Make sure y'all get the merch. Y'all can get my name, or you can get Zai's name. If you get cringe, you can get your dig. Either way, you know, you can get either one of them. Thinking about copying me a hoodie. What y'all think? They're copying me a hoodie. Got the outfit on. You know, Yeezy outfit. So I think I should do. Think I should copy me that fit, or what should I do? But the sun was out, but I guess the sun hit. They didn't want us to be great. Okay, there we go. Life's perfect now.
Dang, man, they get somebody tags.
Oh man, that's messed up. But man, this has been the best year of my life probably.
Boy, I'm trying to tell you.
Just keep liking, keep subscribing, keep commenting, keep watching the videos. Just doing y'all, man. We gonna see y'all later on. What's going on, everybody? Candy shop. Ooh, so warm and cozy. And most of you don't know, Capo loves candy. I really love candy. I would literally put my hand in one of these Jones and run and like dig out and run. What happened? What wrong? You phone with that?
Bro.
Oh man, my man's phone with that. Oh, it's an abort mission. It's an abort mission. You don't want nothing from out of here, though, bro?
Like that, bro.
Sweet.
I just like that I got this hoodie though.
My man got the hoodie, he happy, man.
Yo, man, y'all just don't know. I love hoodies. Like, you can't go wrong with a nice little hoodie.
You can't go wrong with
Wear
it.
something plain, but as long as you got the hoodie to top the outfit off, you rock it.
But
Like, my phone done went dead though, look.
my man's phone went dead, bro. No more
I
vlogging.
what I want to know is, how does iPhone have enough power to show this if it's dead? I mean, what phone does that?
We might have to switch to Galaxy. Galaxy should sponsor us. Y'all, today was a good night, you know what I'm saying? Even though I had broke the guy a little bottle, man. You feel me? He had one for his old lady mama, but it wasn't my fault. You know what I'm saying? Like Jesus said, that way. But make sure y'all leave a huge like, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button if you want more content. Make sure you stay up to date with the channel, man. That notification button so you get every video that I upload.
You dig?
Make sure you go subscribe to ZYY Channel, man. Get them to their 500 subscribers so I get one of them free t-shirts. Maybe something even better. You never know. Make sure you subscribe to AdmireeJas Channel. It's going to be down in the description below. Go ahead and follow all 3 of my social media accounts.
My man, bro. Y'all stay tuned because we got some new merch coming out, so y'all stay tuned.
Not only this, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you go get you one of these too. Not the chains, but the shirt. You know what I'm saying? Hashtag Chris, hashtag this. Spam the notification button. As far as I know, it's your boy YK Capo, and I'm out.